The Toyota Fortuner 2025 is here and it's better than ever. In this quick video, we'll break down its specs, hybrid engine, and bolt redesign. Well, let's dive in. First, the redesign. The 2025 Fortuner boasts a sleeker front grille, sharper LED lights, and a sportier overall stance. It's a mix of rugged and refined. Inside, Toyota upgrades the gang with premium leather seats, a 12-inch touchscreen, and improved safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Now the big news, Toyota's hybrid tech. The 2025 Fortuner combines a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine with an electric motor, delivering more power and better fuel efficiency. And this is up to 15% improvement. Whether you're off-roading or cruising in the city, the Fortuner's enhanced suspension and all-wheel drive handle it all with ease. With its hybrid engine, stunning redesign, and advanced features, the Toyota Fortuner 2025 is ready for any adventure. What do you think? Game changer or not? Well, let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.